Are you yelling at me? You ready to come out?
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here.
Morning, friends. We actually have had a couple of really nice sunny days in a row for 3 weeks. The last 3 weeks it's been basically raining and just pouring rain. So we've struggled with some of the water on the property, everything getting doused. Perennials not doing that great. The veggie garden not doing that great. I've lost a lot of the peppers and stuff. Tomatoes are loving it. But yeah, a little challenging in the last few weeks. Kale is doing good. My onions have gotten overrun with weeds. The cucumbers are doing good. A lot of flowers. But yeah, here's my peppers. See if you guys can see them. They're like a few weeks old and they may recover depending, I think, on what our upcoming weather is like. We're supposed to have a week of sun now. More peppers. Yeah. Tomatoes. I have a couple of tomatoes that are turning ripe. And we've harvested our garlic, which was really cool. This is the first time I've ever planted garlic. Bill usually is the one who does it, but this year it was me. So I'll show you guys either up here or something, show you what we got. I think we got like 35 bulbs. And squash is doing decent. I'm getting some end rot on the fruit, and I looked it up and it says I need more calcium. So I'm gonna put some liquid fertilizer on these today and hopefully stop that from happening. This fenced in area we did when we had big chickens, and I'll link the video up in the corner, but it was all like cleared. The littler chickens, the silkies, just don't do as much eating and damage and stuff. So it is literally a forest. And I'm almost thinking I should get some more big chickens that just do free ranging and kind of control some of our overgrowth. So I'm thinking about that.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So this is our back field, and it sits behind the house, and I really want to put a hoop house barn back here. Now, I've only found a couple of these online, so we're gonna have to kind of come up with the design ourselves. I'm thinking it's going to be like 15, 16 feet wide. We have some posts like here. There's one over here somewhere. And then right here. And here's a couple of cattle panels. Now, I'm kind of stuck in froze mode making this decision because I don't want to build this thing and all of a sudden it's like, oh, well, that's not going to work. And I kind of get this way when I have to make, hold on. Bugs. All right, let's try this again. I kind of get this way that my pants had rolled down. So right here is our seep, which becomes a stream. And so I have to take that into account. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is a slope. There's a slope to this property, or this area. So, oh, here's that other post. So like 30 feet long, 16 feet wide, and then 10 foot high. So I have to be cognizant of the stream. I want, and it goes like this whole way. I want it near it, but not in it. I want to get like geese at some point too. So having it near the stream, and maybe we can make a little pond up here and control this area a little bit more with maybe like a swale or something. But yeah, I got to think all this stuff through. And then up here is our driveway next to the house. So I need a driveway put in here. And I think our tree guy is going to be able to do that. He just had a baby, so everything is kind of off. So I think I might need to put this line a little kitty corner so it follows the stream, because I want it easy for me to do my chores, especially in the winter when we get a couple of feet of snow. So here's the back door of the house, and it's short walk here. If I have, like, if we extend the driveway here, I can easily load up with hay and feed and all kinds of stuff, because eventually we want goats too. And there's all kinds of stuff. But I also want to be able to see the front of the barn and have more of the grazing field in the area where I can see it. So this side. So I can't make up my mind. Really can't make up my mind. Here's Miss June, our little black hen. And I put her in with Ash's flock. The crate here was her just getting introduced to them. They're doing really good, and she just learned to free range this week. So she kind of sticks to the coop a little bit, but she does go off out here and do some free ranging, but she's not doing it with the flock. So she's not quite comfortable with them yet. And Elvis is in there trying to hatch eggs. And I may just put her in here because everybody fights over the eggs and then nothing hatches. I know, I can't make up my mind. She's never been a mama before, and she's coming up, I think, on 2 years, 2.5 years. So I may do that. I'll probably do that. I just noticed that Elvis is off of those eggs. So I'm going to see if I can quickly check them to see if there's anybody growing in it. And then I'm going to move them over to that crate so I can separate her. And basically, guys, I'm looking for ones that are dark inside. So these are the ones that don't have anything in it. All right, Elvis came back and sat right back on her nest without her eggs because I moved them. So I'm gonna try to get her out of there and put her on those eggs. I came back in to check on her and look at her. She's all sitting on her eggs. So I'm hoping that works, putting her into the crate. I think I'm gonna go get a towel and kind of make it dark on one end. They like it nice and dark and quiet. It's the best I can do at this point. We'll see if she hatches them. It looks like she may be like close, maybe like a week away from hatching. So that'd be fun. We'll see. I've been slowly integrating everybody. So I have my BBS flock and mauve. BBS and mauve flock. So little chocolate girl and one of the little splash girls. And they get some time out today. There's the Rooster and a couple more of the chocolates and Splash. Guys, I've named him Simon. He's so friendly. So friendly, aren't you? Come here. Come here. He likes scratches. He's really coming up on his hormones now and doing the little lovey-lovey with the girls. And he, see if I can get this. He likes scratches, usually. Hi. What are you doing? Hi, handsome boy. Come here. I know. Come here. You gonna show everybody? Huh? He's like, nope. No. I'm not one of your girls. I know. I know. Oh, scratch, scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch. I think a little Missy wants to go up and lay an egg too. They usually just hop up into this pen. She's making a racket. Like, hey. Hey everybody, I'm about to lay an egg. I don't see one, so it's not like she's already laid one. Oh, wait a minute. She's young. She hasn't laid an egg yet. Wait a minute. We haven't named this girl either. I know. I'm a little behind, aren't I? She was, I believe, the baby to Miley. So she's in here with her mama. And that's Miley right there. So she's one of our hatches here on the farm. I'm really happy with her. She's really pretty. But that'd be cool if she's getting ready to lay an egg. She's complaining about something. Hi, Simon. So these are the remaining roosters that I have left. I had a bunch, I think like 8 or so, and we've kept 2, and 2 others found homes, so this is what I have left. And I'm still trying to find them homes before I resort to the Natural History Museum for the raptors. So I think what I need to do is a better photos of them today so that they just look more appealing. Again, everybody's dealing with excess roosters now because everybody was hatching during the spring, but pretty silkies, and 2 of them are the naked necks, blue and blue, and I could have swore that this one was a girl for the longest time, but nope, little boy. And they aren't, I don't want to add them to my breeding because they're just not quite the quality that I want. I'm just not quite there. I left the fence open. Come on. Come on. No. This way. This way. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Ooh, good girl. I almost tripped on you. Hi, Miley. Hi, Miley. Come see Mama. Come here. Oh, watch. If I get some kale, watch. Miley will come running. Here she comes. You want some? Let me hold it firmer for you. There you go. She's like, oh, kale. My favorite, Mama. Kale. Miley is trained really well and loves to be given treats by hand. In fact, she prefers it by hand and won't always take it if it's on the ground or anything. Come on. See? Miley's doing it. Babies. Where's Daisy? I mean Angel. Babies. Here's June. She's not quite, I threw a couple pieces to her and she scooped them up, but she's not quite comfortable yet with the flock. So like I was saying, our tree guy, our dirt guy, just had a baby. So we still have this birch that's leaning right over the coop, but it's caught on another tree. Cannot wait till that one's done. We're also doing this birch right here. See, look at the top. There's nothing there. And again, it would start leaning towards the coop area. This oak will be going to, and then there's an oak here that'll be going to. Oh, hawk. Ash did his alarm and everybody got quiet. Do you guys hear this? Oh, one usually starts it and then everybody joins in. Baxter, what you doing?
Hey gang, how are you? Well, you'll probably see a bit more of me over the next month. I'm joyfully unemployed currently. Actually, yesterday was my last day as a electrician out in the field, and in another month I start a new job with a career center at our local high school, teaching young people to become electricians, which is a huge and awesome and wonderful change for me. And included in that change is roughly a month off to be here on the farm with Rebecca and working on things, and probably making a cameo here and there and a few more videos coming up. So I've got, I won't be doing any chicken stuff probably, but there's plenty of stuff around the house that I'll be working on shortly. Rebecca and I are going to be setting up staging. Maybe you'll see what I'm doing with that. But great to be here with you guys. Glad you guys are around for the ride, and enjoy.
I get him for a whole month,
Yay.
a whole month to myself.
Yay.
That's our video for today, you guys. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.